Iowa Farm Equipment offers front-mounted mowers. Look what you can do with them. Available for Grasshopper, John Deere, and Kubota front mowers, as well as for tractors with front hitches and for skid steers. Get one-pass perfection on turf or even in the tallest, thickest stands of vegetation. Now you can mow on your schedule and not nature's. No more pressure to mow promptly, no more partial width cuts, no more clogs, no more uncut areas, and no more cleanup passes. Just beautiful single pass results. And best of all, you can mow less, you can mow on your own schedule, and you can reduce your mowing time and fuel use. One deck does it all. Even verticutting for professional turf management on select models. Visit us online at iowafarmequipment.com or call us at 563-946-2121. That's 563-946-2121 or online at iowafarmequipment.com.